Today, you're going to learn how to use an AI assistant from scratch. This is a complete beginner-friendly tutorial for 2026. And if you've never used artificial intelligence before, or you're not sure how to get value from it, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to use it the right way. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is this tool? It's an artificial intelligence system that can help you with writing, answering questions, generating ideas, translating, text summarizing information, and much more. Basically, it works like a digital assistant that you can talk to and use for different tasks. Now, here's the important part. How it actually works. It responds to something called prompts. A prompt is simply what? You type in your instruction, your question, or your request. And this is key because the better your prompt is, the better your result will be. Now let's go step by step how to get started. First, you need to create your account. You sign up using your email, and once you're inside, you'll see a simple chat screen with a message box. That's where everything happens. That's where you type your prompts and get responses. Now, once you're inside, the best thing you can do is start simple. Ask a question or request, a basic explanation. For example, you could ask it to explain a topic or write a short text. This helps you understand how it responds and how it works. Now let's talk about something very important: writing better prompts. This is where most beginners struggle. If you just say, "Write me a text," the result will be very generic. But if you are specific, everything changes. For example, instead of something basics, you could say, "Write a 300-word text about digital marketing for beginners." Now, the result becomes much more useful because you gave clear instructions. You can also control the style. You can ask it to write like a teacher, like an expert, or even like a video script. This is where it becomes powerful because you shape the output exactly how you want. Now, another useful feature is improving existing text. You can copy something you wrote and ask it to improve it, make it clearer, more professional, or easier to read. This is extremely useful for emails, schoolwork, or social media content. Now, let's talk about learning. You can use it as a tutor. If you don't understand a topic, you can ask for a simple explanation step by step, and it will break it down so it becomes easier to understand. Now, another powerful use case is generating ideas. You can ask for business ideas, content ideas, video ideas, or product ideas. This is very helpful when you don't know where to start. Now let's talk about productivity. It can save you a lot of time. You can summarize long texts, organize information, or create structured plans. Instead of doing everything manually, you speed things up. Now, content creation. This is one of the biggest uses. You can create video scripts, titles, descriptions, blog posts, and even ebooks. It's like having a writing assistant available all the time. Now, something very important. It's not perfect. It can make mistakes or give incorrect information, so you should always double check, especially for important topics. Think of it as a tool, not a final source of truth. Now, here's something important. The more you use, the better you get at it, because you start learning how to write better prompts and guide responses. That's where real power comes in. Now let's talk about mistakes to avoid. Don't give vague instructions. Don't expect perfect answers, and don't rely on it without reviewing results. Now, some practical examples. You can use it to write email, create scripts, translate text, summarize articles, or learn new skills. The possibilities are almost endless. And if you don't like a response, you can always refine it. You can ask for it to be shorter, longer, or different style, so you are always in control. Now, the big question, is it worth using this in 2026? And the answer is yes, absolutely. But only if you use it properly, because it can save you time, help you learn faster, and boost productivity. But the value depends on how you use it. So to wrap everything up today, you learned how to use it from zero, step by step, in a simple and practical way. Now it's your turn. Start experimenting, try different prompts, and explore what it can do for you, because the more you use it, the more powerful it becomes. And that's your complete beginner guide for 2026.